Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Dubai format CV. First, ensure your CV presents a professional and concise layout, making it easy for recruiters to quickly grasp your qualifications. Begin with a compelling personal statement that clearly outlines your career aspirations and what unique value you bring. Next, highlight your most relevant skills and significant achievements, tailoring them to the specific job requirements in Dubai. After your personal statement, include your contact details and a professional headshot, which is common in Dubai. Next, dedicate a significant section to your work experience, detailing your responsibilities and, crucially, your accomplishments in each role. Finally, clearly list your educational background, including degrees and certifications, ensuring all dates are accurate. To stand out, customize your CV for every job application, aligning it with the specific job description. Emphasize soft skills such as communication, problem-solving, and teamwork, as these are highly valued. Crucially, quantify your achievements whenever possible. For example, state you increased sales by 15% or managed a team of 10 people. For optimal impact, aim to keep your CV concise, ideally to a maximum of 2 pages. Before submitting, meticulously proofread for any grammatical errors or typos, as these can detract from your professionalism. Lastly, select a professional and easily readable font, ensuring your CV is visually appealing and accessible to recruiters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.